Hey guys, this is hajra.vadhariya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk in depth about the new Beautify by Amna's Face Premium collection. It just includes all of these products that we are going to talk about in all the details. So yeah, if you want to know my verdict and my reviews on it, and if you want to know the deals and my discount code, then just keep on watching. So this is what we are going to talk about today. Let's get started. Which is their face premium collection. Oops, look at this. The previous box was so pretty. It was white and gold, and this is red and gold. Like, what? I want a black and gold as well. Like, what if they make their eye brush collection with this black and gold? I would die. I just want that. If you're doing it, give it to me, please. One seat. Okay, so I got this thing obviously entirely in PR, but that's not gonna affect it. Seriously, when they added me in the PR list, I told them that thank you so much. Sorry, I told them thank you so much, but my reviews will be honest whatsoever. They were like, yes, that's what we want, so that we get to know what you like, what you don't like, so that we can prove yourself. I was like, thank you for giving me my space. A lot of brands, they don't, but this brand is so good. Now, you guys, the face premium collection includes a blush palette, a face premium brush set, concealer, contour cream, loose setting powder as well. I'm like, wow. And obviously they have the serum, their primer, that also comes in face, and their beauty blenders also comes in fakes. But you guys, you can get all of these stuff separately as well, and also in a deal. You can check out their website for the deal. I'm going to link that website down below. Okay, you guys, so this entire thing you can find on my Snapchat or anywhere. I'm gonna put it again on my Instagram as well. So this is the chart. You can grab this brush set on discount, and you can get all of these free goodies if you use my code. Again, for the blush palette is also on discount. You get free goodies if you use my code. This beauty blender set is amazing, also on discount, and if you use my code, you get these free goodies. They're amazing new translucent fixing, setting powder, which is so good. I used it today and I loved it. This again you can get on discount. Instead of 1500, you get it for 1000, and if you use my code, you use these goodies for free. You get these goodies for free. And their concealer, their cream contour that I will provide in the description box, which is again for 1500, but you get it for 1000 on discount. And if you use my code, you get these two amazing goodies, for free. What are the free goodies with that? Oops. Now let's get into the product. Now this is their beauty blender. This is their cream contour, you guys. By the way, in the PR, but on discount, you get it for 1600. Again, maybe they'll send it, and if you use my code sometime later, if I get it, I'm gonna review it on my Instagram. So please stay tuned on my Instagram, because mostly beauty blender for free things and bigger. Look at this. Now I have used this one to test out the pink beauty blender. So this is in my use since I took it out from the set. So to show you guys, I had to put this again. It's dirty. I used it today, so I'm sorry. You can see it's more bigger as well in size with this one, because this is dry. It has been inside since I started the video. I put it inside. I'm gonna take it out because otherwise it will have a bad smell, keeping it inside. Now I'll show you guys how cushiony and amazing it is. Seriously, I wish you guys could feel it. It is so cushiony, so good. Like, I don't know if you can feel this, like, by looking at it. Seriously, they're so much more softer. If you have their older blender, I know that is also really good, but the new one is better. Okay, so this one has like a black beauty blender, a pink beauty blender, normal sizes, and a mini green beauty blender. You have all the details of the product right here. Again, I have talked about the beauty blender, so I don't have to go in a lot of detail. This is an amazing deal if you want like a good amount of beauty blender for yourself. Okay, now we'll go on towards the setting powder. Their revolutionary translucent loose setting powder or fixing powder. Now I have the shade Banana. When I saw this shade Banana, I was like, oh shit, why didn't they send me translucent? But you guys, unlike other banana shades, this is not too yellow. We being wheatish, yellow, warm undertone, we don't have to use banana powders. We want fair powders to brighten the centers of our face, okay, our under eyes and stuff. But you guys, this again proved me wrong. Like, I don't know, what is this brand trying to do? They're just trying to prove me wrong? Like, what? Seriously, and I felt in love when I used it. This is the packaging. Seriously guys, this brand always had amazing packaging and now is improving packaging also and coming out with the best packaging. Like, I'm like, wow. So it opens like this. You see the shade down there, it's banana, and the packaging inside it is so pretty and unique, so cute. Okay, then you get, this is the powder. Okay, let me just see what you get. 20 grams of product. It is for 1500, but right now on discount we'll get it for 1000. If you use my code, you get a 3D kabuki brush and a beauty blender for free. So this banana shade is amazing. Maybe translucent will be whiter. This is fairer. Fair is different on it has a yellow undertone, but it's fair, so it's like perfect for our skin tone, and also to, you know, highlight if you want to certain areas. And maybe the translucent would be white, I don't know. You can message them on Instagram and you can ask them. Once you open, you get a mirror inside this. I really liked it because, you know, sometimes when you're traveling or, you know, you do, oh my god, my lash has moved a lot. So sometimes when you're traveling you kind of need a mirror, you know. So yeah, then they come with this, oops, sorry, this, it says Bbamna here. I totally love the packaging. You know, this having this thing is amazing. Now I've opened it, otherwise there was a seal. I've used it, you can see. So the finish is very fine. It is very fine. It is very brightening. You can see how brightening. This is what I love on my under eyes. Very Kim Kardashian like brightening. This is their banana powder, so I'm so impressed because usually I don't like banana powders because they are yellow in color. Okay, now this smells like banana powder, but the shade is perfect. I totally love this. Very fine texture, very smooth, and you can see how brightened this looks. I love it. I came from the event, like, it has been like hours since I got ready because I had to do so much stuff. I had clients, so I had to get ready like thoda karke beech mein, and then we left, and we had a lot of food there, everything. And then I came back, I rested for like 15 to 20 minutes, and then I quickly started making video. I saw myself, I was like, wow, my makeup is so good. Seriously, this is amazing. I really loved all of this. Even while applying, it was so smooth, so fine texture, so thin, but so gorgeous, and I love this. This is highly recommended. This is an amazing loose setting powder if you want. And if you want like a dewy or shimmery loose setting powder, till then they don't come out with a shimmery powder. You can go for Glam Girl. Use my code, which is HV 10%, and you can grab the dewy powder from there. That's amazing. And if you want like step 1 spray and step 2 spray, also grab it from the Glam Girl. Coming to the brush set first, and then we'll talk about the blush palette because that's my favorite. So again, a huge packaging. This one is the eye one, so this one is the face one. You can see the difference, right? Here you go. Okay. Ta-da! Okay. It has 5 brushes, and you can do every single freaking thing with these, which I love. Limited brushes, and they can do everything. That is literally amazing. So first of all, we have 3D Kabuki brush. We have already talked about it, so I'm not going to talk about this again. But you can see the packaging is even better. जो इनका पुराना वाला है, उससे इसकी packaging ज़्यादा better है, more elite, going on with all of the other brushes, obviously since ये set में है. So that's kind of obvious. Now you can see again portable सा ये brush holder है, so you know you can travel with an amazing, very pretty. Okay, we're going to talk about foundation. Was this one and concealer as well. They also have another foundation brush, which is this flat foundation brush, and they say, and you can seriously, this foundation is amazing when it comes to professional use, because usually, you know, with clients and all, this works really good. It's going to go right there on your under eyes, and it's an amazing, the quality is so good, you guys. I can't even tell you, this quality is amazing. Plus, if you don't like such brushes for your foundation or concealer, then what I love about this brush, you can put your powder and cream highlights and strobe creams and primers and moisturizers with it. Even you can put your face mask and stuff with it. So yeah, another amazing brush. Look at the packaging, so elite and classy. Seriously, जो मैंने अपने Instagram पे भी बताया था कि जो Morphe के कुछ brushes ऐसे हैं जो इनका elite collection है, जो थोड़ा cheaper collection है, उसका जो material है brush का वो धुल के उखड़ जाता है. So I always hated that, and that's why मुझे उनके elite brushes अच्छे लगते थे, because इनकी packaging ऐसी थी और इन्होंने बिल्कुल elite brushes जैसी packaging निकाली है, ये धुल के खराब नहीं होगा. Okay, now since we are done with foundation, concealer, now we'll talk about this one. This is a highlighting and a face powder brush जो हमने पहले भी discuss किया है इन सबसे पहले वाले brush set में. Again ये वही चीज़ है, इस तरीके से पूरा blend हो जाता है, sorry bend हो जाता है, इस तरीके से bend हो जाता है under eyes के लिए, face powder के लिए around the mouth, also for highlight. I love this one. It's called tapered face brush. Now they also have codes. I hope that in future कि वो individually भी सारे brushes sell करें ताकि सब अपने favorite brushes भी pick कर सकें, you know, if you want to stock up on favorite brushes. So yeah, amazing, so soft and amazing shape to it. So perfect for under eyes, entire face, around your mouth and highlight and everything. So that's what I love. Coming to the contour brush now. This one, you guys, it just sits on. You can use both the sides. It just sits on and then blend, like आपकी apple of the cheek पे बिल्कुल push in करके just blend this way, you know, on top of your contour line, and looks so gorgeous. Love this. And this one works so freaking good with their new blush kit. I can't show you with my niqab, but I'm having the blush on, and I've used all of their face and eye brushes today for my entire look, and I fell in love with them once again. You can see the size is so perfect to fit on small cheeks, big cheeks, amazing. And I love this. It is so soft. It blends your blush so freaking well. I can't even tell you, so good. So since we're talking about blush, this is the last product, which is their blush kit. Okay, so you guys, if you want the Face Premium brush set, its original price is $4,500, but right now it's for $3,500. And if you use my code, you get a full-size primer, you get a 3D kabuki brush, and 2 beauty blenders for free. Now let's talk about the blush palette as well. The blush palette is for 3,000 rupees, but right now it's for 2,000 rupees. And if you use my code, you get a makeup pouch, a mini primer, and a beauty
this
blender
contour
for
brush,
free.
you guys, is so good. You can see the angle, which is perfect and best shape for contouring.
And
oh my god, you guys, this is
this
my favorite part.
right on your cheekbones,
The
right
packaging.
jawline. I use this for my contour today as well, and also nose contour, your forehead.
Look
and
at the
it's so
reflect.
amazing.
Seriously,
And now this one, unlike so many of their other brushes,
what vibe do you get?
this
I
one
get
is
so
a
much of
little
elite
collection,
which you
perfectly need for an amazing
packaging.
contour. Your contour brush should be a little stiff from here, from this side. Obviously fluffy from here, so that you can blend it also.
Oh my god,
but it has to be a little stiff from here, so that it's not
you can see
moving
we have all
here
the
and there.
details
Like
at
if
the back,
this
so
brush,
perfect.
like
I
I
can
contour is gonna move here, and then it's gonna
if
move
you
here.
don't know,
You
can
never
never
try to say. I don't know if that's clear.
seriously, they have become
But
so better.
your brush
worked
will be
so
a
hard,
little
and I
stiff
guess
from
they
here
do
to
legit
appreciation a
is,
lot, so that it's you can draw sharp
motivation.
contouring. And from this side and this top side, you can just blend it then, because the top is fluffier, here it's stiffer. So I don't know if that's clear, but it is perfect for a contouring brush. Coming to the blush brush. Now this one is blush. It is FP303. They have all codes for all the brushes. FP stands for Face Premium, EP stands for Eye Premium. Now this is an amazing blush brush again. Now blush brushes के जो shapes होते हैं बहुत different आते हैं. People, every other person has a different choice for
it is just such that wet feel. Look at this. Look at the shine, you guys. You can see this one. You can see it on top of skin. This one, when the light reflects it, it looks like my skin is shining. This one, you do see that something is on. That is the difference that I'm trying to explain. Coming to the blushes, these blushes do have glow, which I love. Like if you don't want to put a highlighter separately, just put a little bit of blush and you have the tint and you have the glow, both. So we have a coral pan and a rose pan. Rose pan has a darker pink, a light pink, and coral pan has a soft coral and a very bright coral. You can mix them all, you can use each one of them, 2 of them. Totally, you guys, iski finish itni beautiful hai. Let's just swatch it. So I'm gonna just go like this all around the coral pan. Look at this. Love this. So gorgeous. Look at this. The shine and everything. And I'm just gonna go and kind of show you guys the rose pan, and I'm gonna swatch the colors separately so that you guys should have an idea how it looks separately. So we have 2 of the pinks here, a soft pink and obviously and promotion and a brighter pink, a darker pink. And so these are the 2 pink shades because they are working so hard. You can still see the shine in it, but they are swatched differently. Now when you take it on this blush brush, now you can see I literally saved this. Look at this. YouTube video so that I can show you guys. Oh my god, how gorgeous. It says Oh My Blush. This palette is called Oh My Blush palette. The mirror. The quality of this mirror is really nice. Like I do love the quality. It is. Like I can see everything
so gorgeous.
so well. The quality is amazing. Oops. Plus, sorry guys, I have been using this. You can see up here. Okay, so this you can do your entire makeup in this mirror. This is how it looks, and it comes with a protector. You get 2 pans, but you can so good, right? Create so many different blushes, and they also have a huge mirror here with a mirror and also between the 2 pans, and you can make so many different kinds of blushes. Seriously, they have not compromised on any freaking thing, and kind of just go on the coral shades. I'm not gonna take the highlight. Okay, so you have 2 just big pans and the low. We have amazing colors in here. You can mix them all. You can use them separately. You can mix the highlighter with them. You can use the highlighter separately. I've used this highlighter for my inner corner, for my brow bone highlight, and also for my face entire face highlight. An amazing tint. God, it was so blending. So blinding. Which I love. With this as well, if you want to make it even more blinding, you should use this brush. Dark, it's gonna make it even more pop. But when blushes are soft and they are buildable, you know, it kind of because people have different blended. Also, with different makeup look, you kind of this one kind of blends the highlight. Yeah. थोड़ा सा this is the coral one उसकी dull हो जाती है but still इससे भी बहुत blinding होता है. Now obviously you guys is soft for soft usually अगर आपके highlighters बहुत blinding even more. Pink is for example of Embrazy. Like I have this highlighter right here. You know it's just like तो वो थोड़ा सा ऊपर से glitter के जैसा लगता है मतलब लगता है कि ऊपर से कोई चीज़ लगाई हुई है. और एक highlighter होता है जो वो blinding भी होता है ना बहुत तभी वो स्किन के अंदर इतने अच्छे से मेल्ट होता है इतना अच्छे से अप्लाई होता है सिट करता है it just got married and had a beautiful your skin is highlighting seriously guys again I'll show you this Embrazy highlighter so you can see this is highly recommended and amazing right? And you obviously have deal so even if you apply it product as well so guys that is it with all the products all of them are amazing like I just share everything what I think about it I've used them a lot of times and it's not only about Embrazy there's so many highlighters all the products are amazing they are coming out with the best products you guys stay tuned on my Instagram to get more details you can contact them you can check my description box don't forget to do that because this was just one example but okay highlighter that is it I hope you guys enjoyed it find it helpful if you still have any questions you can DM me or DM them and yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down below what you are buying from this brand, what you like about the video, and what you want me to do next. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you're new, hi, this is hajra.vadhariya, and welcome to my channel, and please do subscribe. Also hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video, and you also be the part of my glam fam. And with that being said, also share this video with a lot of your friends and family who you think will like it. And that is it. Let me know anything you want to in the comments down below, and I'm going to catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Love you all.